What's up everybody, welcome to Park Mazda. Today we're going to show you how to access your wipers on the 2019 and 2020 Mazda 3 so that you can keep them out of the snow this wintry season. So the 2019 and 2020 Mazda 3 has a different design for the wipers. They're tucked kind of underneath the hood. You can't really access them unless you go to put the wipers in service mode, which is what we're going to show you how to do today. You'll be able to change the wipers, you'll be able to raise them up and keep them off of the windshield when it snows so that they're not sticking to the windshield when you go to start the car in the morning. Okay, why don't you come over here, Jim? So you can see the wipers down below here. They're tucked underneath the hood. You try and raise them up, they're going to connect with the hood because of where they're hidden away. Service mode is very easy. You're going to want to put the car into accessory mode, and then you're going to shut it off once, and you're going to tap twice on the windshield wipers. That's going to get them straight up in the air just like that. Now that the wipers are up, you can lift them off the glass very easily. Now, one thing you want to make sure you don't do is when you start the vehicle up again, you don't want to keep these raised up. You want to make sure that you put them back down before you take them out of service mode, before you start the vehicle up again. To take the wipers out of service mode, turn on the accessories, or you could even start the vehicle. And then what you're going to do is you're going to lift up once and back down they go. So thank you very much for watching this quick tutorial video on service mode for your wipers on your 2019 and 2020 Mazda 3. Be sure to like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff for this video. Click that notification bell. Make sure you get all of the content that we put up as soon as it goes up. So thanks again very much for watching. What do I say here, Jim?
It's our pleasure to serve you.
Right. Thanks very much for watching this video, guys. It's been our pleasure to serve you, and we hope to see you very soon.